Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope.
Welcome back to Microscope Show. Today we're going to look at VELCRO. This is like heavy duty VELCRO. You can buy the heavy duty stuff.
Oh yeah.
This is heavy duty.
Oh, that is heavy, huh? Wow.
Now VELCRO.
I've never seen VELCRO like this.
Now VELCRO is a brand name, I think. So it's also called like hook and loop.
Right. Now this is
Whoa.
interesting stuff because hold on a second. Because
man.
wait, hold on. Can you
Whoa.
pause? I've heard this that it's basically just a bunch of hooks that are hooking onto fibers, and now we're seeing the hooks.
Well, it's hooks and loops. So here's
Okay.
the hook. This is like
Great.
the stiffer part of the VELCRO.
I gotta say, Doug, this was a great idea because
Pretty cool.
you know what? You're really seeing how it works. They hook onto, the fabric.
But how do they even
Hook on?
make that?
Right. How do they make such a small hook?
Like on the naked, can you see what that is?
No, they just look like little points, right? Let's see. I can see it now. Yeah, if I look
Almost
for
see
it.
it. If you
It
look
makes
at
me
it.
now wonder about regular Velcro because this is kind of heavy duty Velcro, and it makes me wonder about
we
regular
have to do regular Velcro next.
Yeah.
Look, some of them are busted.
because
they-
they get pulled off.
But look how they're not. I thought they would be like
Oh.
super hooked over, but they're just sort of like.
Not too hooked.
They're not too hooked.
They're kind of more horizontal. But you know
And
what?
then here's the other side.
And you know how
okay.
it wears out, by the way? It wears out because the hooks eventually get too damaged after it pulls the hook. When you pull it back, it stretches the hooks back, and eventually the hooks are not going to be hooky enough.
And maybe this stuff gets all raggedy too.
Well, I'd
It's
imagine
the soft side.
So this is the soft side, which is pretty typical. We've seen this sort of thing before.
Yeah, that's kind of what you expect. But yeah, if these get all pulled loose, then those aren't gonna be hooked either. So
But I think
I don't know if you're like an authority on Velcro.
I think I know everything there is to know about Velcro at this point because of this show. Wait, can I see something?
Let's see if we can push them together here. If I can get the footage of
Hooking.
Velcro.
What it looks like to hook.
Wow.
Look, it's
Wait.
about to hook. This is excellent. Excellent footage here of seeing how Velcro actually works, and you've never seen this before, really.
Go wait.
Wow, this is historical footage.
Whoa.
Here, do you need me to help
So
here or what?
This is it. This is it hooked.
Wow, now let's see how it stays hooked. Is it gonna pull?
So I'm pulling on it sideways and as
Pull
you
it
can
off. Let's see what happens if you pull it off.
Yes. Look.
Look! See that? Look at the hook. Do you see
I'm
the hook?
looking. You
The
don't have
hook.
to tell me to look.
I see the hook going like this.
I know. I'm seeing it.
No, I don't know if you saw that hook though. That one little hook piece.
Of course I have. All right, here we go.
Look, that is cool. Look. Do you see that? How the hook? It's doing this. Right there. It's about to pull it. That one right there. Watch that. Keep pulling. Look at that. It pulls it off right there. That.
Look.
Hey, you know what I just thought? Is that noise the noise of it
Yeah,
going?
going.
Yeah, making. Yeah,
Yeah, that's the noise.
that's interesting.
That's cool.
That is very cool. Very cool.
Well, that's Velcro, I guess, huh?
That's amazing.
Pretty cool.
That's great. Velcro, amazing.
Now we gotta look at more Velcro. Different brands, different styles.
This is
different
Velcro brand,
flavors.
and this is Velcro brand.
This is Velcro brand too. Yeah, this is the
original.
original. But I want to see. This is heavy duty. I want to see what like.
Can I see this?
Cause
With
you see
naked?
the heavy duty.
I want to see with
Like
the naked.
it just. This is different. The harder
Yeah,
coarse part.
it is,
It's got to
isn't
be
it?
different than your classic. Let's look at it now and see if they're kind of banged up.
Well, here, do it a few times.
Well, no,
right?
look. Well, this is the area where I was kind of putting on the most pressure, and you could see. Let's look on the edge here.
Well, some of these. Look at that. That hook is down.
Hook down.
Couple
We got a
hooks
hook down here.
Couple hooks down right there. Velcro is fascinating, I must say.
That's cool.
I mean, that it's comprised of these little hooks, and you can see them getting pulled when you
How do they make that?
When you pull
Is
it.
it a micro mold?
Yeah, a micro mold or what? How about this? Yeah, 1000X on the hooks at least.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Okay, now we're really seeing that hook.
Okay.
That is a hook. Look at that. Those are the little tiny hooks that are on Velcro. I do want to see what another Velcro is. You don't have any other Velcro, do you, Trevor? Do you have any Velcro shoes or anything?
Yeah, that's 1,000x zoom on the hook.
Man.
Okay, here's more. Here's a Velcro pillow. Well, it's a pillow that has a Velcro opening here. And these are different styles. These are different style hooks. I can see on the naked that they're different.
Oh,
Yeah,
those are different.
These are the hook part.
Wow, it is much more sort of in a way crude, right?
Yeah. Oh, but actually, look.
They actually
See
hook
how
more.
the tip has a wider.
Oh yeah,
That's how it grabs it.
right.
Got a little wider.
They're just a series of little hooks, and they hook on to fabric. Let's see the fabric.
And up here.
They just hook onto that stuff.
Well, it's the same old stuff. I think on top. I don't think that's different. Let's see if we can get these to pull apart. Here we go. Watch this.
Great shot. These are great shots.
Do a little rack focus here.
What if it looked like?
They don't just like ah. They're like releasing a
Uh-huh.
balloon or something. Here we go again. Look at that.
Look at that. That one right there. Oh my God! Amazing footage. That was great.
That's how Velcro works.
That was great. You're just pulling at these hooks. That's great. Thanks, Trevor.
and
Great
that
episode.
was Velcro.
And that was Velcro. Great episode. Wow. I mean, amazing stuff. You want to see more amazing stuff? Go to patreon.com/microscope show.
And of course, subscribe to our channel because we're going to be making these videos every week.
And share these videos, because people can learn about how stuff works this way. It's amazing stuff.
Look, bonus on the outro. Bonus outro nose hairs.
Wow, that is so crazy.
See you next time. Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope.